So let's discuss finding the derivative of a much more complicated looking example. And in this case, we've got the function f of x is equal to 2 times x, 2x, times the quantity 3 to the negative x. Well, there's a couple of things going on right here. And if we're interested in taking the derivative, that means that what we have to start with is the basics right here. And the first basics is that we've got a product. And so we're going to use our product rule. And our product rule says this. If we have a product of two functions, when we take its derivative, we're going to take the first function times the derivative of the second function and add to that the second function times the derivative of the first function. Right, so this is by our product rule. And if you forget that one, you might want to look back at it. So in our derivative here, what's going to happen? Well, for the first term, f prime of x will equal 2x times the derivative of 3 to the x. So this is where we go to this rule right here. 2x will be multiplied by, let's see, in order, the natural logarithm of the base, 3, times 3 to the negative x, times the derivative of negative x, and that's negative 1. Then we'll have to simplify that, but for right now, right here it is, natural log of a to the u, and u prime. Now we're going to take 3 to the negative x, which is the second function, and we're multiplying it by the derivative of the first function. The derivative of 2 times x is just simply 2. So let's simplify this down a little bit. This negative 1, I'm going to bring this in front. We're going to make this negative 2x times the natural logarithm of 3 times 3 to the negative x is our first term. And we're going to be adding it to this 2 times the quantity 3 to the negative x. And maybe I'll keep that in parentheses over here too. That way it makes it clear what's actually being multiplied. So f prime of x in this case is equal to negative 2x times the natural log of 3 times 3 to the negative x added to 2 times 3 to the negative x. If we wanted to, we could simplify this down maybe a little bit by factoring out some common factors, and the common factors right here actually look like this. 2, right, which you'll notice is a factor in both of these terms, and 3 to the negative x, which again is a factor in both of these terms, times, and what's left over? Well, x times the natural logarithm of 3 plus, negative x times the natural logarithm of 3 plus 1. So our simplified expression for the derivative right here after we take those factors out is 2 times 3 to the negative x times negative x ln 3 plus 1. And we're done.